You are losing money because you don't understand trend continuation. And in the next 60 seconds, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix that right now. Now, the very first thing we need to do is find the current direction of the trend. If we're looking at higher highs and higher lows being formed, it's a bullish trend. But if we see lower highs and lower lows being formed in the market, then we're looking at a bearish trend. If we see a bullish trend, we enter long, and if we see a bearish trend, we enter short. Now, the easiest way to confirm a trend in the market is to use an 8-length exponential moving average, or 8 EMA for short. We can clearly see here that higher highs and higher lows are being formed over this 8 EMA, which signals a strong respect going to the upside. And since we see this, we will look for bullish entries and ride the wave of the trend. Now, you may be asking, how exactly will we find an entry? Well, let's take a look at this example. We have lower highs and lower lows being formed under this 8 EMA, which signals a strong bearish trend going to the downside. And since we found the direction of the trend, we have one simple step to go through, but if you get it wrong, it's gonna make or break your trade. Where price is located right here, and we want price to do two simple things. First thing we want is price to wick over the 8 EMA or to touch the 8 EMA equilibrium zone. And then second thing price has to do is close under the 8 EMA. With these two steps complete, we'll have full confirmation of a downtrend and we'll be able to get into a trade. And 3 candles later, we got a nice rejection candle right here. Price touched this 8 EMA equilibrium zone, came back down, and it confirmed that downtrend, and we could finally get into a trade. Since we have confirmation for entry, all we're gonna do is target a nice 1 to 1.5 risk to reward ratio, and we're just gonna let the trade play out. And as we can see, price continued in a downward direction and continued to respect this 8 EMA, and we ended up taking profits. I made a free PDF showing you exactly which high probability setups I take whenever I trade. If you want a copy, just click the link in my bio and you can claim it there.